Psalm 139:14 says, I will praise thee, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are thy works, and that my soul knoweth right well. Verse is part of a psalm that expresses the psalmist's awe and gratitude for God's creation and care. He acknowledges that God knows him intimately and perfectly, and that God has a purpose and plan for his life. He also praises God for making him in a marvelous and unique way, and for being the source of his life and joy. Do you ever feel insecure, inadequate, or unworthy? Do you struggle with comparing yourself to others, or finding your identity and purpose in life? If so, you need to hear the truth of Psalm 139:14, which says, I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. In this video, we will explore the meaning and implications of this verse, and how it can transform your perspective and attitude towards yourself, God, and others. You will learn how to appreciate and celebrate the unique and amazing way God created you, with your talents, personality, and appearance. Recognize and resist the lies of the enemy, the world, and your own flesh that try to rob you of your joy and confidence in God. Embrace and fulfill the purpose and plan God has for your life, as you discover and use your gifts and abilities for His glory. Trust and depend on God's love and care for you, as you grow in your relationship with Him and His people. You are not an accident, a mistake, or a failure. You are a masterpiece, a miracle, and a friend of God. You are fearfully and wonderfully made, and He has a wonderful plan for your life.